guys, so we have an exciting unboxing for our Brazilian Belle's Bikini Body Tea today for you. So let's get started. This is the box that you will be receiving. The packaging and presentation is very important to us because it's part of the customer's experience. So this is the front of the box, the Brazilian Belle logo on the top, and then it says Bikini Body Tea. So on the back of the box, we have here the instructions, nutrition facts, and also the contact information of the company. So if you have any doubts or questions, you can contact us at any time. Let's open the box right now. So it has 45 disposable tea bags, which is great for travelers if you are on the go, things like that. You can always bring your tea with you, it's perfect. 1 tea bag per serving, so it's an ideal treatment for a 15-day cleanse. Let's open the tea bag to see how it is. This tea is 100% pure goodness, is made with all natural ingredients such as oolong tea leaf that is rich in antioxidants and is very effective in controlling the metabolism of the fat in your body. Green tea leaf that is loaded with antioxidants that help you prevent cell damage and provide other benefits like reducing the formation of free radicals in the body. And pu'er tea leaf that helps promote weight loss and breaking down and eliminating bodily toxins. For best results, we recommend drinking the tea 15 to 20 minutes before every meal.